YouTube. Today, man, it's one of those days where it's a good day and it's a bad day. I don't know which one it is just yet. But the Kawasaki, man, on this channel, you may not see it no more. I have an opportunity to get another bike, but I don't know yet. Let's hope that plans go through. Let's hope that plans go according. Let's hope that everything goes according to plans. But yeah, so in the last couple of weeks, couple of days, I mean, I've been basically putting the Ninja back to factory. Like I told you in a lot of my videos, I don't get rid of my parts, my OEM parts. So I still have the OEM windscreen, the mirrors. I took off these corners, I put it all back. The stock exhaust is back. The tail tidy is back. The only thing the only thing I didn't do, the side frame sliders, I took those off. I posted them so I can sell them again. I did not take off the case covers. And then the tank grips I didn't take off. I took off my levers I mean, and my grips. So I have those still. I have them locked away. When I get the new bike, I'm gonna just transfer those all to this new bike, like day 2 of having it. I'm not gonna do an individual parts install like I did with the Ninja. I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm just gonna install all the parts that I currently have on the Ninja, cause I have the levers. That's easy. A lot of people do that on their bikes. The grips, same thing, pretty easy. And the battery, which is the only 3 things I'm gonna transfer over to the new bike. I don't know if the spools can transfer to the new bike because I don't know if there's a location for the spools to be screwed into. Like I don't know if the swing arms have it. But when I get the bike, I'll know. What I can tell you is a 2019 bike. The model and make, I don't know. We'll see in the next couple of days. So this is the last time you guys might see this bike, and it was really cool having this bike. I have about 4,500 miles on the bike right now, and yeah, I'm gonna upgrade to a bigger bike. It was cool having it. I enjoy the bike a lot, but yeah, man, I want to upgrade. All right, guys, I'm in the motorcycle dealership. Talking about the bike I'm taking home today. Hopefully it's a pretty cool deal. Yeah, I'll show you guys the bike in a couple of minutes. Just have to do some paperwork. Yeah, guys, this is the last time you'll see the Kawi on the page, on the channel, here at the Honda dealership. And this is the new and improved bike. It's a 2019 Honda cbr650r. And yeah, more to come. Guys, I am overwhelmed with joy because right behind me is a brand new 2019 Honda cbr650r. It's not a 600RR, yeah, I know you guys will be like, but the 600RR is faster. Yeah, that's very true. But, you know what I'm saying? And also, it's the non-ABS model. Just me and ABS, man. All my bikes ever owned never had ABS. The Kawasaki, no ABS. The Grom, no ABS. When I continue the trend. So it doesn't have ABS. Let me turn the camera around so I can go over some specs with you. But yeah, man, I rode it like 6 miles. No, hold on. How long was it from the house to here? 28 miles? 28 miles. But I did do a test ride today at the dealership. I did a test ride for about, I think they told me an hour and a half on the bike that I already had there. It was an ABS model. I think they did it on purpose. But I stuck to my guns. I was like, no, I don't want ABS. I want non-ABS. This was the only one they had at the shop. So I was like, yeah, I want the only ABS model. They had about three models with ABS, not including the one that you can test ride. So they have 4 bikes there in total. They only had one, which was this one that had no ABS. And I was like, it's sold. I want that one. That's the one I'm gonna take today. When I actually told him I wanted the one with non-ABS, he was kind of shocked. Like, you sure that's what you? Yeah, that's what I want. So yeah, let me turn the camera around real quick and let's kind of go over the bike a little bit. Damn, look at that front though, and it's carbon fiber, son. Look at that front though, huh? I just got it. Literally just got the bike, so I don't know much about it. I just know it's the 2019 year. I did a little bit of research online, and I don't know much. So I'm gonna be learning about this bike. If you guys stay tuned, you guys will be learning with me. I do plan on taking off the tail tidy. TST does not have a tail tidy for this bike as of today. But right now in the US, I'm the only one on YouTube, mark the date or look at the date, that have a 2019 cbr650r online. All the other bikes that I've looked at or tried to do some research on YouTube, they're all in India or other countries across the water. So in the US, this is the first, I think, to have this bike. So a couple of things that I'm gonna go over that I plan on changing like within the next couple of minutes here is the shift. This here, it's way too far up. I like my foot to be at an angle, and when I shift to get under here, I have to go too far up. So I'm gonna bring this in. I'm sorry, bring this out. Bring this down a little bit so I can reach it better. I'm gonna take these off. These are here so that way when you lean the bike, it doesn't. Whatever. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna bring this pedal down. I would do the tail tidy today, but I think that's gonna take too long. I just want to go for a quick ride, so I won't do the tail tidy. I will change the grips, and then I'm gonna put a foam out here. And yeah, that should be the video for today. No, these are so hard to take off. Oh, I'm gonna put on the shifters, the levers as well. I got some shorty levers. I'm gonna put those on too. Knock those out right now. So yeah, let me get my camera and stuff set up, and then we'll get started. Just gotta show you that real quick. All right, so already making progress. I took in off this side and the other side. I just got done lowering the shifter. What did I say I was gonna do? Oh, the grips and the levers. So let me knock that out real quick.